I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna air dry and I will see y'all when these are dry. Hey guys, Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today's video is a review on the Rose Water Collection by TGIN. I have these lovely products right here. I actually got the mask, the leave-in, and the gel. And I was drawn to these products for a few reasons, but I have actually been exploring TGIN here lately, and I saw this collection on sale at Ulta, and I hadn't heard of this before, so I think it's kind of new because I even tried to do some research to see if there was like any good reviews on it yet, and there weren't any when I bought it during Ulta's sale, so I did get them half off. So I decided just to review it myself, and actually after I filmed this, the next part you'll see, I actually saw a couple of reviews. So I am going to jump right into this review. Just to let you know, I did do a twist out, and I did a twist out just because I wanted to try something different. But don't worry, for my wash and go people, I am a wash and go girl, so I actually did a twist out and a wash and go. So if you're interested in my thoughts on this collection, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I have just shampooed and conditioned my hair. This is the TGIN Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask with rose water and acacia berry. They all say that, rose water and acacia berry. It says it's a gentle hydrating deep conditioner for waves, curls, and fine textured hair. I would say I have curls, not waves, and my hair is fine textured. Again, which is why I actually wanted to try out this line. So I'm just go ahead and apply it, and I will speed through applying it and just give you my thoughts. It smells really good. It's almost like a light berry scent, kind of like, it smells like a scent you would want like in your bathroom. I don't know. And it's very, very light in its consistency. Like, it's actually very thin compared to like the Honey Miracle Mask. That one's kind of thin consistency too, but this is like really thin, like watery. I'm just gonna take some. Yeah, it's like I'm like about to spill it everywhere. But it does feel really good. It feels like kind of creamy. Okay guys, so I decided to go ahead and do a voiceover while I apply the products to my hair. And you can see by my facial expressions, I was not too excited about this product. So it says it is a hydrating hair mask. And so when I think of hydrating, I'm thinking it's going to make my hair feel really soft and moisturized. And when I first applied it, it just felt like I didn't put anything on my hair at all. Now, I love the smell. However, it just felt like I wasn't applying anything, or maybe just putting water on my hair. So I decided to like just start applying a whole lot instead of just a little bit. And then I did eventually start feeling like it was soaking into my hair and really penetrating my strands after a while, but I had to apply a lot of it. And I didn't really like that because I like the TGIN Honey Miracle Mask, and that one you don't have to apply a lot at all. Like, as soon as you put it on, you can feel it coating your strands. It's very hydrating, and I can feel it working in my hair immediately. So I didn't like that I had to apply so much of the product. So for me, for it being a hydrating deep conditioner, I feel like it could have been better. But I went ahead and applied it to the other side. Now, I did notice that my hair was not soaking wet, and sometimes products apply better when your hair is soaking wet. But when I looked at the directions, I did not see that it said that your hair needed to be soaking wet. So I decided to just go and look at the Honey Miracle Hair Mask packaging and compare them to the Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask and see what the difference was. So the Honey Miracle Hair Mask says that it's an intense, deep penetrating deep conditioner for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. And then the Rose Water Hair Mask says that it's a gentle, hydrating deep conditioner for waves, curls, and fine texture hair. So that could be the difference. One is a deep penetrating and the other one is a gentle hydrating. So here's a shot of my hair with the product in it. So the jar suggests sitting under a hooded dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can leave it on for 35 minutes to an hour with no heat. So I decided to use heat as my option, and I just left it on for 15 minutes and sat under the hooded dryer. So here are my results of that. Now, I will say my hair was actually really soft, and had a lot of volume, which these products claim to give your hair volume. So I definitely did have some volume and my hair was soft. It just didn't feel like it does with the other hair mask. So now I am ready to apply the leave-in conditioner. As you can see, it is really thick coming out of the jar. I like that it has the pump to make it easier to just pump out. On my hands, it actually felt kind of like a lotion, which was really weird. And it felt like applying a lotion to my hair too. And when I applied it to my hair, it kind of reminded me of the deep conditioner, that feeling of nothing being applied to my hair. And so I decided to go in with some water to kind of see if that would help. And then after I sprayed it with more water and added more product, that's when I actually started seeing my curls, start popping, and the product applied differently once I applied water than the product. Even like the sound, like you can hear it, and it just sounded like it was getting in there. So I read the jar again, and on the leave-in conditioner, it does say apply to wet hair. Now it doesn't say soaking wet, it just says wet, and my hair has started to dry out. So that could be the problem I had there. So make sure you apply water to your hair if your hair starts to dry out. But even though it started feeling better, I still wasn't all that impressed, especially compared to my favorite leave-in that I'm using right now. So next I applied the curl defining styling gel. Before I went into twist, it says it's a soft hold styling gel that reduces frizz, increases volume, and defines curls and waves. And that's why I really picked up the line. It's because it said volume and it was hydrating and smoothing, no frizz. Those are things I was looking for my hair. So I noticed that when I'm styling my wash and goes, or even like trying to do twist outs now, the longer my hair gets, the flatter it seems. Like I've never had to pick out my wash and goes before, or really like diffuse for volume, and now I do. So that's what I was definitely trying to see if I could accomplish with these products. So the gel, as you could see when I pumped it out, it was kind of really thick and like gummy like, so it felt like it would be a gel with a good hold. Even though it said slight hold, it was really gummy and thick, so it felt like it would work pretty well. I'm sure you can see by the face that I'm making that I wasn't too happy with the combination of the leave-in and the gel together. It just felt like the products didn't really go well together, even though on the packaging it tells you to put the leave-in and the gel together, like pair them together with whatever style you're doing. But I don't know if you noticed, but I had to like towel dry my twist because it just started having this like dripping effect, like the two products didn't mix well, and I had a little bit of beading in my hand. Now my twist did feel good and it looked good, but I just had this weird consistency. So as you can see, I am done. This gel and this leave-in combo together started reminding me of something that happened with some other products I tried, and so I started getting like the water just dripping, and I went ahead, I finished, and really like they look good. We'll find out when it dries. I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna air dry, and I'll see y'all when these are dry. Alright guys, so that is my results. Like I said, this is my results from the twist out. Now I will say, in the last clip you probably saw, it like looked really thin, and like I had volume, but like there were gaps, and my hair is really thin, which is kind of why I don't like doing twist outs and braid outs, because it takes a lot of work to kind of fill it in. So I had to tease it a little, play with it a little, but surprisingly it still has the definition. My hair is soft. There was some flaking, I'm not gonna lie to you. When I was taking it down, I kept looking at my shirt and I was like, but I think that's kind of happens because you put too much product, and I definitely put a lot of product, and then of course I'm manipulating my hair. But I am surprised because my hair is really soft. Like I said, it's lightweight. There was like a little, and I mean a little, cast when I was taking down the twist, and it kind of like held its form, the twist form, and so I was able to like pick and manipulate and play. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually like it, and I don't like twist outs. I do not like twist outs and braid outs because my hair's normally dry. It doesn't keep that definition very long, but like as you can see, my hair is shiny. I didn't spray anything on it or anything, and it's full. I did tease the bottom a little bit just because the longer my hair gets, the less thick it looks, and there's parts that are really long, parts that aren't, of course, especially in the front. So I have to kind of manipulate my hair and play with it anyways, even in a wash and go. But do y'all see this? Like, okay, I'm done. So yeah, I did a wash and go. So I did the exact same thing with the wash and go. I co-washed this time. I used the deep conditioner, the leave-in, and the gel, and I styled my hair, and these were my results. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit shocked with the results because I still don't like the application, but my hair is soft and definitely defined, has volume. Like I barely, and I mean barely, diffused just to kind of just dry the outside and stretch the back just a little because it doesn't fall as long as the front nor naturally. But it's like slight hold, just like slight, but my curls are definitely defined. And so yeah, that's all guys. That is my thoughts on this line. Would I buy this again? Probably not. The hair mask, it was good. My hair felt soft. However, I still like the hydrate, like the honey mask. I like that one better. Even though this says hydrating hair mask, I still like the honey mask better than this one. And this one's real watery, and I feel like I'm just gonna make a mess with this. I probably wouldn't buy it again just because I'm in love with the other one, so I don't need this. And my thoughts on the leave-in and the gel. Even though I got really good results and I was shocked, I'm pretty sure I have something else in my collection of products that can do the same thing, that won't make my hair feel weird like this did when I was putting it on. Because if you saw in the clips, it was like dripping, and I don't know, it just went on weird, and my hair had to be saturated with this. And they are good products, but I probably wouldn't buy them again. I would like to try them separately, like with other products, and see if they worked better, but I will use them up because they're not terrible products. They you know, I got a little bit of definition and shine going, but I probably wouldn't purchase them again because I have leave-ins and other gels that I like more. But overall, for frizz and smoothing and hydrating, I think I experienced that from this. So I will say that if you're looking for something to give you volume and reduce some of the frizz, I mean, of course I have frizz, but there is definition to it as well. So yeah, those are my thoughts. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know if you have tried any of these products or you plan on trying them and your thoughts on them. If you're new, feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell also so that you are notified anytime I post a new video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.